rather than writing you a description of how to do some new things with Matchmaker Online, I thought I'd do a YouTube video here and show you the new features here and how to move things around in your scorebook. So you can see here I've logged into my account, my sample account I should say, and let's say I want to say move events between A squad and B squad scorebooks, or move matches, anything like that. You'll see that there's a new icon now in the toolbar called Scorebook Management. So if you click on that icon, you'll be taken to this page here. So let's try a couple examples. Let's say that I had my managers recorded an event in the wrong scorebook. So for instance, maybe this test event here should have been in the B squad scorebook instead of the A squad scorebook. I can now move the whole event, all the matches and everything, to a different scorebook. So just select the event you want to move, and then over here you see the button that says move event to another scorebook. Click that, choose the new scorebook where you want the event to go. Let's say I want it to go to the B squad scorebook, and then just click the move event now button. Now this might take a few seconds to actually move all the matches and things, so you got to be patient and just wait until everything disappears. And now you can see that the event is no longer listed in the A squad scorebook. So if I go to the B squad scorebook now, you can see there it is right there. That's the one I just moved. So I'll move it back now so I don't forget. Again, choose the event you want to move it to another scorebook, choose where you want it to end up, and I want this one to go back to the A squad scorebook. So if I click move event now, it gets moved back to where it was before. So if I go back to the A squad scorebook, you can see now that test event is back where it used to be. You can delete events. So let's say there's an event here that was a practice, maybe at the beginning of the season. All you do is click delete event over here, and it'll wipe all those matches and that event out of your stats and your scorebook. You can make changes. Let's say there's a spelling change you need to make. Let's say this should be Bloomington Kennedy instead of Kennedy. You can make all your changes to the event details here, and then just click Save Changes, and now you can modify misspellings or whatever in your scorebooks. So that's how you would manage events, move event, whole events between scorebooks, etc. You can also work on individual matches. So let's say in this Elk River invite, I wanted to look at the matches and maybe make some changes in them. I would select the event here, and then just click this button that says Open Event. And now what happens is you're taken to another screen. You can see there's a little caution dialog here. This area is for mainly editing and adding matches that are not going to be linked to video, because the problem is if you edit or change things here, it wipes out the linking feature to the video portion. The timing marks, I should say, are erased, and that's going to cause all of your takedowns, near falls, etc. to link to the wrong place in the video. So if you have to do any editing with timing marks and that kind of stuff, you want to preserve them, you should go to the video area and edit it there. Okay, so let's say that I'm in this event here called the Elk River Invite. I can add a match just by clicking this button here. What you'll see is now basically a regular scorebook. So if I want to add a match to this particular event, I just choose my wrestler, his weight class, his opponent, and let's say his opponent's name is Jack Spratt or something like that. Something. And his school is maybe Lincoln. And let's say Adam gets a takedown and then a quick fall. As you can see here now, you can enter the number of team points. As you know, in a tournament, team points change depending on where your wins occur. So let's say that Adam had a fall in the quarterfinal round in the championship bracket. That would be worth 4 points. So I would put 4 for team points here. And now if I click Save, it's saved Adam's match right down here in in the event itself. So now you can go in, you can add matches. Let's say you missed some forfeits or you missed some matches with video. You can go in and add them yourself now online rather than having to do it through the iPad itself. If you want to edit a match, edit the scoring, so on and so forth, you just select the match from the list down here, click Edit Match, and now you can edit all of the scoring in the match itself. Whether it's a spelling change or an actual scoring change, you can do that all here. And then just remember to click Save Match Data here when you're done. You can delete matches. So let's say this match, for some reason I wanted to delete it from the event. I would just click Delete Match. You'll get another little question here. Are you sure you want to delete it? Choose yes if you do. No if you don't. If you choose no, obviously it won't delete it. But let's say I did want to delete it. Now you can see that match is gone. One other thing you can do, let's say I've had several coaches call and say that their managers actually taped matches in the wrong event. So for instance, maybe your B squad matches got taped in the same event as your A squad matches, and you want to move them to a different event. You can do that right now. So let's say I want to move this match here to a different event. I would click on the match, click Move Match here, and now you need to choose the scorebook where you want it to end up. And let's say I want it to end up still in the A squad scorebook, but a different event. So let's say I want to move this from the Elk River invite to, say, the Anoka event. I can do that just by clicking Move Match Now, and as you can see, now that match is gone. And if I go back and choose the Anoka event now, I would go back to Scorebook Management, choose my scorebook, choose the Anoka event, and if I open it, now you can see that that match that I just moved is right here in the Anoka event. So I'm going to move that back to where it used to be. But now you can move matches back and forth between events. You can add them, edit them, delete them. A lot of you have been asking for that ability, so that should work out pretty well for you. I'm going to move it back to the Elk River invite here so it's in the right place. So that is how you can manage your scorebooks now. Hopefully that'll help a lot of you kind of keep things straight and straighten things out when things don't go so well. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at john.peterson@jpchaos.com. Thank you.